How to create a Steam ID. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Steam application. Now tap on Don't have a Steam account. Now under email address, enter your email ID. Now select your country and verify the CAPTCHA. Now tap on verify and tap on continue. Now go back to your home screen and open up your email application. Now open the mail up from Steam and tap on verify my email address. Now open up the link. Now enter your Steam account name and choose your password. Now tap on done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.